Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we are going to do almost a complete pantry meal. You could make it complete with what you have. We're going to do enchiladas, refried beans, and Spanish rice. So for the meat, you can use your home canned meat, your store-bought canned meat, your chata, your Hereford, your frozen leftover rotisserie chicken, whatever you have. So I don't know who's getting all hopped up and why. We have some taco seasoning mix. I've already softened my tortillas. You just cook them in a little oil. If you don't, they'll crack up into, they'll just break apart when you try to roll them. And then I cut some strips and fried them up for some chips for the crunchy. I have some shredded cheese. We have some refried beans. We have some enchilada sauce, Spanish rice. I have cut some green onion. I chopped up some black olives. I thinly sliced some lettuce for some crunch. I have some more green onion to put like chive on top. We have our home canned salsa. You can use your store-bought salsa for the cheese. You could use your home canned cheese, store-bought cheese, your freeze-dried cheese, or like the nacho cheese, the cheese in a can, sauce type stuff, whatever you have. So I'm going to drain our roast beef. Keep a little bit of the juice so we have something for our taco seasoning. Shred that up. And this is just to show you that you may not think you have yumminess in your preps, but you do. And I have some leftover taco meat I'm going to use in some. We're going to add some black olives. Sorry, hold on. Okay, we're adding green onion, black olive, you can add white onion, dried onion. You don't have to add any onion at all. So that is our meat mixture. You could use dried chives or like the dried green onion. Pan. And I'm just going to cook these in the Cuisinart, so you don't even have to turn on your oven if you have a toaster oven, air fryer, doohickey thing. Just like a lasagna, we're going to add a little sauce to the bottom so they don't stick. And then we're just going to fill them up. Little meat, little orange and white cheese, and roll it up. And you could just do some plain cheese ones. You could do cheese. I have a piece of hair hanging off of my arm. Dandy. You could do plain cheese with green olives. If you haven't tried that, that's good stuff. It's more of a Spanish style. I want to get 8. Then I'm just going to do the Spanish rice on the, just follow the directions on the package. So I'm going to keep rolling these up, and I'll come back when we finish it off. Okay, our pan is crammed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I hope one of these doesn't have 2 tortillas, or I couldn't count when I was frying them. That's okay. 7 is plenty. I really don't want any more leftovers than for his lunch tomorrow. So there's our sauce. I'm going to add the cheese. And you'll bake these at 350 in your regular oven until they're nice and hot and bubbly. I'm going to save a little of the cheddar cheese for the top of the refried beans. So I'm going to pop these in the oven, and I will see you when they are coming out. I'm going to do our refried beans, our Spanish rice, and we will plate it up when it's ready. Okay, you guys, everything's ready. Here's our enchiladas, our rice, our beans, So I'm going to make him a plate, and then I will come back and make my plate, and we'll give this a taste. Okay, here's my plate. A little bit of lettuce, sour cream, green onion. I put a little bit of enchilada sauce and cheese on my beans. We've got our homemade chips, our rice, and just so you all know, the rice is plant-based. You can get vegan refried beans, so you could totally do this recipe and omit the meat. You could use vegan cheese if you're vegetarian, regular cheese. If you're vegetarian, you could do the cheese and green olive enchiladas and then have your sides. So this can be made vegan, vegetarian, or meat. So just thought I would throw that in there, that you can make this for anyone. And this is really hot. A little sour cream, a little lettuce. I'm gonna burn myself, I just know it. Here we go, we're going in. That's yummy, you guys. So use those pantry preps. You can make delicious foods. You see me do it all the time, all different kinds of things, Asian, Mexican, Italian. So I just thought I'd share tonight's dinner with you, and I hope you all are doing well. You stay warm. We have rain coming in, so hopefully it's not so cold it freezes where you're at if it rains. So yeah, y'all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.